ahead, and the next offer is, this is another one of my favorites. So we need sunblock. Summer is here. We need protect your skin. We need our SPF. So this is a company that actually I've worked with before and presented to you guys before. This is Derm Health and Wellness. I love their packaging. It's super clean and clear. The thing what I like about their sunblock or their sunscreen, or they call it sun cream, it is free of any gluten causing ingredients. So it's fantastic. Like if you have any allergies or anything, it's not going to irritate that. It is a physical sunblock, so this is zinc oxide and titanium oxide. So this is very different from a chemical sunblock. I actually love the physical sunblocks. I think they're better for your skin, and they actually create a layer on top. So it's not like the rays are going into your skin and then you are being protected. This kind of creates that layer, and it's full of antioxidants, so it helps kind of build up your skin barrier. It has a pH of 4.3 to 5, so it's a little on the acidic side, which is what our skin type is. So it is well balanced, and yeah, I'm a big fan of this line. Look at the packaging. Look at the way it looks. I love the way the bottle is designed. The shape of the bottle is fantastic. The cap is really good. They've thought of everything. They don't want to make sure there's any mishaps. They have this little, like, those Starbucks green things, whatever. And then the product, I mean, one thing we want to make sure is how long does it take to absorb into the skin, and does it leave a white cast? So sunblock, as you know, is to be reapplied every 2 hours, and it should leave a barrier, and it has disappeared into my skin. So this, I would recommend this. I love the whiteness of this. This is great. And you want to apply this 15 minutes prior to going into the sun. And again, the way we apply sunblock is, this 3 fingers length. I'm sure you know that. And then all that is going to go on your face. So this feels great. It's not sticky. You can apply makeup on top of this. Like it looks good. Like there's no white cast on this, and I have tan skin. So right now, so I recommend the product. It is what, $42.45 right now with a 15% discount if you buy on this spin, and then we've got an additional 30% discount with Memorial 30. So with that, this size bottle, and with summer, you'll be using sunblock every day. So it's a great time to buy it, and this is a great company, and you're supporting a local business. So definitely thumbs up on all that. The next product I want to bring you